The Hayes fencing and crimping tool allows producers to physically cut high tensile wire as well as to install the crimping sleeves made by Hayes. We will show a fence repair on high tensile wire with the HC2 crimp sleeve. So we will show the installation of the HC2 crimp using the crimp tool. Feed the crimp over one of the wires, feed the second wire in from the other direction. Compress the crimp in 3 different places on the sleeve itself. Our crimping is complete. You can trim the ends of the extra wire back so we do not snag an animal or a person with the extra wire.